Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I want to answer a Battlefield 6 question, and a lot of people are really bent out of shape about this, but you shouldn't be. So this is the Battlefield download on PS5, and you can see I've got the primary, which is currently 19.763 gigs, and then I've got these HD packs. But there's other options as well. So all that I did is download the base, which is Battlefield 6, the top one, and then I downloaded the HD packs because I intend to play in the greater resolution mode. But if all you download is Battlefield 6, within the Battlefield 6 game after download, you have the option then to download these other packs. So if you're confused as to what you should download for Battlefield 6, you could just download this base one, the one that's currently about 19.763 gigs. You could download that, and you could download the add-ons later. So don't get upset, don't start cursing, don't go out on the forums and start cursing people you don't know. Just watch this video, subscribe, ring that bell, and share my video with others, and be calm. Be calm. Don't be mean, nasty, and vicious. It's just a video game. Or is it? Actually, this game, if you're old school like I am and you got gray fur, you probably remember the original Battlefield that came out on the PC. That's right. That's back before we played these, before these types of games were available on consoles. You had to use a PC, a mouse, and a keyboard. WSAD to walk around. That was your navigation. And you used a mouse. But things have changed. And so has the way that this is obtained, because in the past you had to buy a physical disc, and you had to put that physical disc into a CD drive, CD-ROM, read-only memory. And you had to install it. But now it's just a digital download. But people are getting frustrated. But man, I don't know what I should download. I got Battlefield 6. I don't know what all I should download. Like I said, just download the base. And once you've downloaded the base, then you can, through the Battlefield 6 menu interface, you can choose to download the add-ons. I'm doing the add-ons now because I do want to play with the greatest resolution. I mean, that's, this game's evolved, the graphics have evolved. Why would I want to play at a lesser resolution? You may say you want to, because you may be a professional gamer and you feel that the enhanced graphics may degrade your performance, and that's fine. I'm not a professional. I'm just here having a good time. So subscribe, ring that bell, and check out my gaming live streams as well here on my channel where you're watching this. youtube.com/IrixGuy. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.